Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel today. Today we're going to be doing a review and install on a pair of LED fog lamps and also the Honeycomb fog lamp replacements. That lets a bit more air into the engine bay and helps get that heat soak out of the engine, especially if you've got a cold air induction kit. As always, I get these parts online. And I find them basically they come as a direct replacement of the OEM. So as you can see here, we've got two fog lamps. These are LED. These basically can fit most Audi cars, A1, A5, A6, Q3. They're all pretty much the same design. If you're not sure of what to do, we're going to do a step-by-step guide today. I installed these before and I ended up going under the car, moving the tray and trying to get into the back of the fog lamp from the back of the bumper, realising that's not the way to do it. So I spent about an hour trying to do that, didn't work out. So it's a simple thing. All you need is two hands, your hex screw. You can use a hex screw driver. I use my wee gun here. It's a simple two screws are going to be on each side of the fog lamp. We're going to take the old fog lamp cover off. That's a simple just tug and pull and that will pop off. So the two Honeycomb grills, you can get them on Aliexpress for 80 bucks. If you search, maybe get a little bit cheaper, but that's 80 Australian dollars. Delivered, free delivery. Usually takes 2 or 3 weeks. With the two LED lights, I got that off eBay. They were $72 delivered. These are also a direct replacement of the original fog lights. As you'll probably know, with the fog lights that are on the car, they are yellow, and I'm going to post a video of them before and after. I'll open the car, fog lights turn on, you've got a yellow haze. I don't like that, I prefer the white, looks a bit more cleaner. So basically we're going to start with just removing the cover. You don't really need to do too much to do this. It's a simple, we're just going to grab under here, you grab it, pull it and slide it this way. So grab under here, there's actually two holes. Grab it, pull it, and it actually slides off. Not too much force needed. If we go down and look underneath, I'm just going to lower my tripod here. There is two hex screws, one here and one down here. That will just come off. You're going to have the fog light connector here. Just disconnect that, take it off, install the new light. Make sure you're going to fit the right light. That has to go at slope and angle of the bumper. If it slopes the other way and sticks out here, you've fitted the wrong side. What we're going to do, and once you've fitted the new one in, this is going to, you get two lugs there. They're going to fit into the lugs there. Don't push them all the way in. Once you see it on this, I'll just show you in a second. See the little sliders are angled. That means slightly goes in here, pushes into all the holes on the top, and then it'll just slide over. And then you pop it in. Make sure they're all in, don't force it. You don't want to break these lugs. Try it again. Line it up with the holes at the beginning. Line it up with the holes at the top, slide it in, it's going to go over. So guys, I'm not going to waste too much time doing this. I'm just going to put this on to high speed and we shall install these, and then I'll give you a review of the overall installation, and then I'll give you a review on the LED lights. I'll test it tonight and you'll see the video of before and after, and that is how you do Honeycomb grills and the fog light replacements. Okay guys, just I fitted the other side, I'll show you in a minute. It's the exact same for the opposite side. Just grab it from underneath, give it a little pull and slide to the side, as I'll just show you. And that just slides off. Exact same, 2 hex screws, unscrew it, unplug the fog light and put in the new one. Same again with the new Honeycomb grille. Just get your 2 grooves here, slide it in. All your ones in the top here, 1, 2, 3, just make sure they kind of line up. Once they're all lined up, just push it in all together and give it a little bump in and it should click in. And yep, we'll do this one now. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so we have finished installing them, done both sides. The fog lights fitted in perfect, screw holes lined up perfect, plug connected in fine, and they sit as they should as the OEM original ones, so they're a thumbs up for that. With the Honeycomb grille cover, that fitted on nice and easy, clipped in all great, no problems, no gaps. It looks great with the Honeycomb grille. So yep, both thumbs up for them guys. With the Honeycomb here, as you can see on the original ones, there is no air getting into that area. So with these, that's going to definitely add additional air intake to the engine bay. Heat soak is a bad thing for the cold air intake, so reducing that heat soak is a bonus. That's my feedback on it. Hope you like it. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers guys.